Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Leo ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house. Means Sun is your ascendant lord. Sun is very important planet for you people. And right now, Sun is starting from your seventh house in the sign of Aquarius, where seventh house Lord Saturn is already transiting. Sun will stay into your seventh house till 14th of March. After 14th of March, Sun will move from your seventh house to eighth house in the sign of Pisces. And in the sign of Pisces, in your eighth house, there are many planets are favoring right now. But right now, we are talking about Sun. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your general health, your mental perception. First house set the map of your chart. So first house carries the more importance in your birth chart among all the houses. So your first self lord is right now turning from your seventh house, and from seventh house, Sun is also aspecting its own house. Means your ascendant is right now in a strong position, because seventh house is also in a strong position. Saturn is already turning from your seventh house, and first house lord is also coming from your seventh house along with Saturn. Although Sun and Saturn are not considered friends in astrology, but right now these two planets are in a good position, good sign, and aspecting its own house. That's why we can expect good position, good results for all the Leo sign people regarding their overall aspects of life, their general health, their all the matters you are dealing with right now. We can expect great result regarding all of these matters. Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. And right now, Mercury is starting from your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. So, as we discussed previously, there are many planets that are right now cultic from your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional circle, your gains, your incoming gains are seen from 11th house. Your elder brother, sisters, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house. Your support system, your sources, all the sources you have to overcome any difficulty. Uh, those who are in your favor are seen from 11th house. Your increment, promotions, recognition, all of these things are represented by 11th house. Second house will be your family history, your family lineage, your early upbringing, your childhood, your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your mouth region, your loved ones, along with fifth house of seen from second house. So your second house and 11th house lord right now transiting from your eighth house. And one thing is also very important to keep in mind is that Mercury is debilitated in the sign of Pisces. So right now Mercury is moving in its debilitation sign. Also, Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion around 15th of March. You need to be very careful regarding your family members when you're dealing with your family. But there are something you may face some difficulties, some obstacle regarding your money related matter. You may face some type of irregularity into your savings and disturbance, especially after 15th of March. But regardless of Mercury being in its debilitated state or eventually about to turn into its retrograde motion, eighth house is right now in its exalted position as well, because Venus is right now already transiting from your eighth house. So you don't need to worry a lot. Things will be balanced right now due to presence of a strong eighth house into your birth chart right now, because from eighth house all the planets are expecting your second house of savings, house of money matters. But still after 15th of March, because its second house and 11th house of gains, house of money lord will be in its retrograde motion. You need to be very careful. Don't trust your friend circle, professional circle blindly during this time date. Or if you want to do some money related deal, you need to postpone it till Mercury comes back to its direct motion. Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now, Venus is transiting from your 8th house, as discussed previously in Mercury section. 10th house will be your work environment, your authority, your power, your fame, how far you can go into your career, on what level you are working. All of the things are going to by 10th house, your recognition, your fame. or how much authority you will have in your life. All of these things are affected by that house. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your hand skills, your courage, your ideas also think from third house, your daily basis communication also recurring by third house. So your third house and 10th house dot is right now targeting from your 8th house. And Venus is right now present in its exalted position. Also, Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion before the monthly. Venus will turn into its retrograde motion on 2nd March 2025. So major portion of this month Mercury is Venus will be in its retrograde motion and also in its exalted position. So we can expect great result regarding your recognition, regarding your fame related matter. You may get some increment, promotion, recognition at your workplace, and your superior and bosses will be very supportive to you. If you are by yourself on authoritative position or in a head position, then we can expect there will be a more growth into your career and you will get more success and more fail during this time. It'll be due to presence of Jupiter in the sign of Venus, and Venus is also its exalted position right now into your 8th house. Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is present into your 8th house as well amongst many planets in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planets you are watching on why would it set according to 1st March 2025. So, describing moon for every house in a monthly prediction video, it is very difficult for us. But here we will try to make you understand how can you assess your birth chart in your chart. How can you assess your moon transit into your birth chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is transit from your 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem and difficulty into your life. Because these houses were theater as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem, difficulties are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is starting from any naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also you need to be very careful. You may face some type of difficulties, some type of disturbance, difficulty due to some type of difficulty. You may face some type of difficulty issue during these days as well. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house. And right now Mars is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Gemini. So as discussed previously, Lord of 11th house Mercury is transiting in its debilitation sign, and Mars is present in the house of Mercury. You may face self-doubt, disturbance, and discussed previously. You don't need to trust your friends circle blindly during this time period. As well as your money related matter, you need to be very cautious, very careful regarding your money related matter and your finances related matter during this time period. Presence of uh, 11th house lord in its debilitation sign, and Mars, your 9th house lord, luck house lord, is also in its compromise position. If you are in some higher education, then you need to be very careful regarding all of these matter. You would need to take care when you're dealing with your superior teacher, because there are chances you may encounter some bad teacher during this time in presence of Mercury in the debilitation state, or your 9th house lord is also in 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascending people. Our today video monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Leo ascendant ants here. I hope you will like this video. This video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.